Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2015 Audi Q5. So from any screen we need the nav button here at the top, so nav, and then that's come up on the map. If it comes up on the map, click it again, then you've got this menu and we need to highlight address. So onto address, click the rotary control up to, you've got country, town and postcode and street. Postcode's best, so highlight postcode, click again, and then with the rotary control input your postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR. Now for numbers, the numbers are in the corner here, 09. Each instruction in the corner corresponds to these four buttons here. So if I click the bottom right one, that puts us onto the numbers. And then 5, 4, J, S, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Walton-le-Dale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and it's the OK comes up in the middle, but if you just leave it, it goes on to the next screen. So you can select OK on the previous screen, but if you're talking like I am, it just goes on to the next screen. And then you've got your highlight start route guidance there. Click start route guidance. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi Q5. So from any screen, I mean that's just menu, but from any screen, if you go into telephone, you see settings at the corner. At the moment it's saying please connect to mobile phone, search for new mobile phone. That's because there's nothing connected. But if we go into settings, that settings in the corner corresponds to this button on the bottom right. Click on settings, you've got telephone settings and then Bluetooth. Onto Bluetooth. Then we scroll down to bonded Bluetooth devices. You've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's the one we want. And we select that. And then here there's a list of phones that are in here. So I want to delete mine, Barry's iPhone. Click on that, and then you've got a choice of either connecting it on hands-free or audio player or delete. If you can't get media, if you can't stream media or music from your phone, come to this screen, check audio player and make sure that you can actually connect it there. So we want to delete Bluetooth device. That's it. Do you really want to delete it? Yeah, I've just gone through 5 screens. What do you think? That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi Q5. So you've got here menu. If you click on the menu, that's the screen anyway. But if you go to telephone, click telephone, second button down on the left, it says search for new mobile. There's nothing connected. So search for new mobile. Click search for new mobile. Now we're making sure that Bluetooth is switched on here. And then we're looking out at the bottom. Click continue for the system to look for a phone. Might take a few minutes. I've only just deleted this phone from this system. Right, so it's found Barry's iPhone there, an Audi MMI 2027. So we'll click yes there on the thing. We want hands-free. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. It's just asking if the numbers match. It does, so we'll click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. Bluetooth connection has been established and it should be right at the top there, connected. That's it. I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi Q5. If you go to your music, click on music, you'll see at the bottom there, if I click that, you've got iPhone and Audi MMI 2027 or whatever number your Audi is. There's a tick next to it. That means anything any music or audio that plays through this phone, when the system's set up correctly, the sound will come through the speakers in the car. So we'll go back to the music. I'm going to turn Tom Jones down. Then we go over to the system. We'll just go back actually, so there's nothing showing. We're on menu there. We want media. So media is the bottom right hand switch. here, click media, and it's gone on to the jukebox. It's still not going to play like that. It's on a different system. So now you've got copy, functions and source. We want source there in the corner. That source, that instruction in the top right hand corner, corresponds to this right hand button near the rotary control. We then turn the rotary control down. You'll see my phone there. Click my phone. It's now connected. You see there at the bottom, Thunderball Tom Jones. If I turn this up and then turn this up quickly, that's it. It's a really good sound system in this car. If you like music, you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.